Okay, now let's look at this question which says, following question has a paragraph from which the last sentence has been deleted. From the given options, choose the one that completes the paragraph in the most appropriate manner. So let's go to the question. The question says, existentialism is the view of life which focuses on a man. So we'll underline the keywords, view of life which focuses on a man, and in doing so denies that any man is to be measured or equated against any class called man. So this word denies also is very, very important over here. Since man traditionally is classified in terms of his mind, body and will against the framework of an external world, the existential position denies utterly the certainty of any external world as object, and denies utterly the assertion that any rule, physical, emotive, or intellectual, is valid in relation to the single individual. So, the paragraph is talking about existentialism and its relation and its definition of how it defines a man and how he defines the existential position of the man. So there are a lot of denials. The first denial is that any man is to be measured or equated against any class. So any comparison is denied. Then the second denial is the existential position denies utterly the certainty of any external world as object, and denies utterly the assertion that any rule is valid in relation to the single individual. It says a man cannot be measured or equated against any class, cannot be compared, and no rule is effective when it comes with relation to the man. Now, in these type of questions, what happens is we have to follow the tone of the argument. So when we follow the tone of the argument, let's evaluate the answer options. Answer option 1 says the exponent of existentialism considers the traditional world to be one of illusion. Yes, if you look at it, this is more of a repetition. So it's the incorrect answer choice. Second answer option says man is not an accidental expression of colliding atoms which continuously move in a random fashion. Now this answer option is very vague and it also does not support the tone. It basically opposes the tone. So the tone is not being matched over here. So the second answer option is also ruled out. Answer option 3 says, it is quite interesting to analyze organized religion with this background. It is off track. Answer option 4 says, it is the consciousness of a man that he is existing in terms of his own flowing of experience, a flow which is governed by natural laws. Now if you focus over here, it says that no rules would function in relation to the single individual. So it is contrary to the passage and it becomes incorrect. Answer option 5 says, therefore the existentialist is free to choose because there are no objective standards to inhibit or constrain his choice. This is more of a conclusive statement. Therefore, this becomes the right answer choice. So 5 is the right answer choice in this case.